You don't feel again! Yo! Yeah, second time we're at strike now in the pigs. Good morning again, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're out here again on another fishing adventure. You know, from where there, the weather not so well, it's not so right, but we still come out here see me. Today is a bit better. I mean out there rough. Because if you hear from me, so you can hear the sea. But before we go out there, we are going to look some bait. So yard and abroad, and stay tuned, man. Just keep it locked, man. You hear me? I say, big up everybody. Happy New Year's. Merry Christmas, although it gone. You know, we don't get to really upload any video recently, but we here, man. You know, we're there here, I try our best, you know. I do it for entertaining you guys, so just go and keep it locked, man, and stay tuned and see what I go on. So we are go on some bait hunting now, so we are look some bait. After we look some bait, we are going to touch the water. So press the like button, people. Hit the subscription button. Yeah, man, and leave a comment. Share to a friend or a family. So with no further delay, we get it into it. We get in it. Yeah. Yeah, man, peeps. So I just see how the two rod them there road again. You know, you see it. You know, I have catch a fish with this rod before. But so far, so good with this one, you know. So I roll out them two rod today again. Hopefully today or the day, we can celebrate and say, yeah, we catch something with this. You see it? So me and Crespo, you don't know. You're out here too, so we out here do it. You go over in the bush just now. Look some soldier crab. You get me? Out to sea there. The sun gliss up on the sea. It kinda in between. It no rough, it no calm. So hopeful today is a good fishing day. So on some bait feet. You see it? Yeah, man. Some of them. Test them, you know? Yeah, man, peeps, so like how we do over in the bush and now we can grab them, because you know, I don't make them stay far away, you know, because they're precious. So checking at the bag here, me bring any of my knives them we can use and cut the back off to put soldier crab down in it. You know? We don't plan to stay out here too long, but you don't know the thing, so watch how go on now, peeps. You go. Can leave the stuff them right here, so because we don't know we in the bush. We don't say it kinda safer way. Just hopefully we bring a knife. You know? Just hopefully, you know? Just hopefully it's there. Like maybe none. Yeah, man, peeps, so we are finding a few so far, you know. Yeah. Sometimes you just need to move some stuff, you know. And you see them, you know. So just see in a second. Sometimes you wrap around a stone. See if any under this. Also. Once you look here, go find them. Yeah, man, peeps, so this is what we find, you know, as bait. So wherever this carry today, this we work with. So see it there? So we are going to step on them now, you know. Yeah, man, so if you get yourself together, head to sea, you don't know where go down. Yeah, man. We want to go on an epic catch to the peeps. Epic. But outside we gone now, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, so this is the first rod me I send out, you know. Don't know me date him up on thing. So send him out, you know. Come on, peeps, so first bridging, you know. Yeah, man. Tell her we are going to do lovely today. And look here, peeps. I'll show you what go on, you know. Now, like, me have got to change the line, because look here, because I know I hook something more bigger in here. See it? Bite off, peeps. This, bite off, but first bridging, you know? Yeah, man. Bridging. Cover it up, you know, because we don't want to do something there. But look here. Let me tell you about this. You see what I go on? So in my defense, the thing say, we have to change the line and use a bigger line, because from the other day we have come out here and this a reach it. Here by it off line. So I change the line. I guess it's about 1 8 pound. So I'm going to change it to 14 or 15, you know? So keep it locked. You hear, peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So we put on a bigger line. And I go cast out there now, because fish them a bite off the final line. So, out here. And this hope today is a good fishing day. Yeah, man. Hope today is a good fishing day. Long time we don't really get here, you know? Sure, no one go in the water. Wall in up there. Wall. That's fired up. Doctor. Come on. Second one incoming, you know, peeps? Yeah, man, nice doctor, you know what I mean? Second one. Yeah, man. Second one incoming. Now, so peeps, so up today is a great fishing day, you know? Yeah, man. Set up bucket and send it out right away. And the funny thing about it, as you see, you know, peep, this me have a set up right now, you know. You get me, because I want to put a big bait on it and send it down. I want to catch one 10 pounder with this, so I set it up when we get the chance. Yeah, man, so keep it locked, man. Outside of there. Yeah, man, use one of them crab there, you know. As you see, people are saltwater crab here. That's what's on the pack. It have a smell, a chop fish. You know, look like a real crab when you see it, you get me? So I hope a big snapper come see it or a big jug see it and jug onto it, because you leave the fish bites them in a poop. So try the crab, you know? Come on. That's it. That's it. The big crab. This big rat. I hope it strike it big giant today. Yeah, man. Cast him out. I try to cast him out as far as we can. I say, so I get a big swing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man. You drop it, please. You deep length. The water here deep, you know. You have a deep length, you know, until it stops. You notice now it's stopping now. So, lock in. Lock in and now, okay. Take him on spot, you know. Sorry, I never bring the alarm, you know, to hear when it's a tingle. But, take him. We'll pull today, I will up here with this rod, you know. Come on. See the pips? There. So, get back to some normal fishing now. Come on, just go and keep it locked, man. We're going to already a doctor and a parrot, so we'll go out the back, you know. Hey, right.
See the peeps. First 2 pilot for the new year. Yo, are you licking them?
Two for one. Pilot peeps, and remember, you know, so one thing with pilot, them not grow no bigger, so you don't know, you know. First 2 that for New Year's, you know. First 2 that for the New Year's. Go out the back, I know say some nice one out there for you, you know. Yeah. Hold up. Don't know what type of fish this is, you know. But won't let him go.
Swing him on the line, man.
Good, you know? Something like you are rolling. Yeah man, you don't know what type of fish, but on another side him too small, you know? Watch it. Good, you know? You know go down there, man. Go down, man. And come up back. Pips. Another one. Another bridging, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh, nice bridging, peeps. Nice one, you know? Go out the back and see what can go on. No? Now we don't come out here for joke today, no. No joke about it. Let's go and keep it locked. Yeah, then a bird. Again. Bye. Just not my day yet. Just not my day yet. Yeah man, babe, so this is how we catch so far. We catch a few pilots, you know, 2 parrots and a doctor fish. So what we are doing, we are going to move on to our next location. You get what I say? So we are move on to our next location. So catching up on the spot there, you understand, people? But see it here, this are the catch so far, so keep it locked and wait. You see it? Yeah man, babe, so change location because the pilot them up, that's enough, you know. So try a different location and see what can go on with. Yeah, man. CASHAPP. Sorry. Bomba, yellow tail snapper, and a fire. Yellow tail! Yellow tail! Hey, the boy them for glad it's not a moonshine. I couldn't have moonshine. Yeah man, yellow tail peeps. Cha-cha. Nice look peeps. First yellow tail, first big parrot since year start. Nice catch. Yeah man peeps, I have to use the flyers, you know. Yeah man, to take out the hook. I don't know where in the soul line far. So easy done, see that. Nice yellow tail, you know. So see me? Fresh from water, you know. This is a pink parrot. Pink parrot, this is a pink. So use the pliers as well. Easy, you know. So yeah man, see them the first show me make when me come here, so, and it was a good look, so bait up back and throw it back here peeps, so go and keep it locked. Yard and abroad at them. Yeah man. Boy, I don't even know if I say yo. If I me catch this a crespo, but boy, I set it with a piece of soldier crab. And the first fish this line catch, you know? Big fat pink parrot, you know? Yeah man, well look peeps. Piece of soldier crab, so that don't go motivate us to set it back. Boy, this boy about 2 pounds, you know, peeps. Father, I tell you right, strike! Look there. Strike, peeps. Finally. Jesus Christ, I'm going to make you see him. There you see for the final line. Bite it off, you know. Look there, man. Look there, peeps. Yeah. Father Fox. I put March before you can catch up that size there, you know, my dad. March. And we don't catch a moonshine yet. Oh, I have the pliers now where I go on so far. Babes! Look them man, nice pink boy man. Yeah man, babes, see me? Lovely. Lovely peeps. You get me? Yeah! Today not turn out to be a bad day so far and we're not going away yet. So just go and keep it like my Crespo join that one there, no peeps. Yeah man. Him! Hold him, you boy. Hold him. Who making you get? Boy, get there. Boy, get there, let's go.
No, they're funny, man.
Hold him. Get there. Yellow tail! Yellow tail again! Yellow tail again! Yeah, second time we're at strike now in the pips. Yeah! Yellow tail! I won't trouble them. I won't trouble them. You don't see how it is? Yellow tail again, man. Yo, well, so that hook here, you know? You see? Well, so that hook here. Another one, peeps. Another one. Another one. I mean, I show you something to you, know, people. The size hook we are using at daytime, you know? One day if it's a school of them yellow tail out there. Yeah, man, peeps. You know, when a dangerous fish, we use the fish hole and hold them, but the mere fish are not dangerous. Them not have nothing poisonous in them bone. So if it juke you, you really are going, you know? But try to get out the hook out of the mouth. Send it out back, you know? See it there? Another yellow tail peeps. You know, I want to take them out of the sun and put them in a shade. I don't want them dry out, you know? Sorry we never bring the igloo, but look here, man. Peeps, look there. Nice! We're going on, man. We're going on, you know? Greatest thing. Big up to our sponsors, them we have tool can use, you know? Yeah, man. Nice, you know? We have a soldier crab like him run gun. Like him run gun start. Gone, you know? Oh, see me. Can't hide me. I have him. I have him, boy. I have him. Feels good. I have him, man. Get me. Oh, fine. I'm tired. Get me. Oh. It's a bridging. A small bridging. Give me my barrel line there. Put him on the barrel line and see if the barrel wants him or not want him. No, the one that reel on the pipe. This one line reel on the pipe in this up. Yeah, man, I set him on the barrel line. Normally a jack we use in a piece, but you know, not me to trial more and a failure. So we don't want to hook him through him bone or break him bone, you know. Want him active when him go down there. Oh, yes, I beat me now, people. Cha. No foam drop off. Oh. Look at foam I can do, man. Look at foam small. It's John Star. Oh, I'm dead. Send him out there, you know? Send him out there, see if my brother wants it. Try this special better. Alright, we are sending him out, peeps. See if my brother wants him, you know? Barra is one big snapper. Need them! line here and set him on him. When they barra eat it. When they barra eat it. The barra now trouble it. Pass up. And snapper today. I'm going the first competition here. Yeah, man. Like a parrot head. I am alive. Babes! Oh no, we're generals, you know. We have to come out and go do it for no. That's it, long time we don't do it right here, but scam the people. Try back the parrot here. Like it's dead in the stick. No man, it's not there. I'm dead in a piece. That's it's my flutter. You see it almost out of bait naturally. So when there. Barra them we eating, babes. Only one way to find out, you know. This is our nice fish, you know. Nice fish, this flounders in name, you know. Oh, tough. Alright. Send him down there now, babe. Pilot. Yeah, pilot, yeah, we see them red. Yeah, that's a steer. And the boy, them a pilot babes. Right, but now mess, you know. Can't stand them. Steer them, man. Me never tell you no, sir. You can't trouble. We're not trouble, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, babes. Yeah man, you know the second lap of things when you go and chew body, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. Make a different string because we can't put no blur on that string here, you know, babes. That string here name big people session, you know. So I go on here. Yeah man. Then we have a okay man. Have another yellow tail. I know it will be difficult to catch him, but got him. Still alive, you know, babes. Yeah, man. So, babes, I'm not alive. Good way to start the January, you know. It's named dinner plus tax. Yeah, look up. Original run up and down there. That's the one where they put on the line for the barra. and it don't work out. See my run up and down there, you know? So try string them up, you know? Yeah man, viewer, subscriber man, and I don't know where I go man. See what I go on? Nice little string, you know? Bridge in your hide. Put him on the baby string, you know? Them are fish now, peeps. That's like when you cook them bigger one then now. You have them here and you fry them here before. Have a look of face, you know? And tell us how we're out here, so we just do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. That's how we go on for the day, you know, man. You know what I mean? Look at the beauties. We come out here, we not go and trade bad. Viewer, subscriber, no comment and tell me that. Beautiful. Also beautiful. You see it, people? So, when you see what go on, come make me show you something too. Yeah man, babe, so finally now the power rod strike, you know? Yeah man. Father. I tell you now, I spread this one, I have a set and it work. So, now my time to test it now a night sea, so I run go out for a night sea adventure and test it now, you see it? Yeah man, big up every viewers, every subscriber. Big up the whole crew, you know? Fox and the team, Randy, the whole crew, you don't know I go. Crisp out here with it like always, you see me? Yeah man, so see how we go on for the day here. We don't catch a moonshine snapper yet, but this is a beauty, talk the truth. Alright people, so yard and abroad. Until next time, outside.